Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. So my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. God bless you guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this great family and let us work together. Yes, so my beautiful people, I don't see come back again with another gist. This very one about Tunde Ednut. In case today is your first time to come across my video on YouTube channel, Tunde Ednut is one of the biggest blogger in Nigeria. Some months ago, they take down his page, Instagram page, my people. And when the guy came back, everybody was so happy, excited that Tunde Ednut is back, and a lot of celebrity, they even welcome him back again. I don't just know why some of we Nigeria, some of us, what do you gain to report someone page? Wetin that person wan gain by doing all those things? If you know say they follow person, any page or any social media, and you know say that person, wetin that person he or she dey do, you know, like her, and something dey disturb you, na just to unfollow that person down, for that person to go and report that person page wey you know say that person page, wetin that person dey do for them. Maybe e dey get one or two things for there, you just, that person will just wake up to go report that person page. It's so bad, my people. We supposed to love ourselves. I don't really know why especially we Nigerians, some of us, the way we dey do ourselves, I no just know, and which is very bad. And this thing, my people, we need to stop. We need to create love for ourselves. If you dey follow person for page or any social media platform, and you know say that person, wetin that person dey do for there, or wetin that person dey do, or wetin she dey talk, or wetin that person dey talk about, you no like that thing, the best na to unfollow yourself than to go report that person page or whatever. And it's very bad, my people. Where I go show una the video, make una watch this video. What I want show una, I'll still come back again.
Oh, Tunde Ednut has lost his page again. Hey, the guy came back braggadocious, no apologies given. Baba, you know they create content, but you get attitude like Speed Darlington where they create content. You know, see am. Wetin you won't do, wetin you won't post. Text after text after text after text. Okay, now, people where they do attitude. Now people where know say I'm the shit, and I know I'm the shit. I don't need to be told. I'm the shit. I eat them. Me. As you see me like this, I'm willing to blow $1,000. Take myself, go Caribbean island for 4-5 days. Gather plenty of video, come back to New York and show it to you. That's how much of a content creator I am. Tunde is now willing to travel, go outside USA to go shoot a video. Just to go shoot a video. Now, so my point is, if you know be master content creator, you shouldn't be having so much attitude. How you go, they bounce back, they bounce back, they bounce back. Get you a post. You feel me? You gotta be careful with your words, man. Or you can give me $1,000 and I'll come to Buckhead and give you all the details on how to stay on social media. I will teach you everything. For you, what 1,000 too small, you too they brag. 3,000, I will come. I not go slap you. I promise. I promise. Why I go slap person when they give me 3,000? When I know they do cocaine, even if I they do cocaine is very expensive. It costs more than weed. Problem plenty. I don't know which one to tackle first. Nigeria no get airline. Nigeria no get 24-hour electric. But I think airline issue is easier than electric. I can get that done within the first 90 days. I can give you an airline. Airline is easier headache than electric. To give everybody electric requires nuclear plant. That's a whole lot of tech, a whole lot of math. I can give you Nigerian Airways. in 3 months. PAP 2023, there's only one option, me.
Yes, so my people, I don't see come back again. I told I don't watch the video now. Like this guy now, where he reported Tunde Ednut page. Wetin he wan get by doing that? Where you know say na there the guy for the get in one naira for there. Why if you get any argument with him or any misunderstanding, now just to call him than to report a page. Una say the thousands of followers wey he get only one day wey just come back, because that Tunde Ednut, he get a lot of followers, my people. Wetin you wan get by doing all those things? I no just know why some people they're just so wicked and heartless by bringing other person down. You think that by bringing other person, your own fellow human being down, that's where you will rise up? No, my people, it's so pathetic for me, because by bringing other person down, you will think that you will rise up. No, if you are doing to others, something is coming back to you. And I will also show you guys wetin Rudy even talk about this thing. Una see wetin King Rudy wetin he talk. He say, I no understand the type of village people wey dey follow Tunde Ednut. Just imagine a grown-up guy like him see wetin dey talk come out. It's not by force, no wetin he like na other people go like. Him na see celebrity, e no mean say everybody wey dey that Nigeria go follow him. Everybody know the kind of person wey he like to choose to follow for that social media something. I no just know why where this hatred just dey come, and we are all Nigeria, we are all blacks. I don't know why this hatred all the time, especially we Nigerians. I don't know why we not create that love. Just imagine now, see wetin una hear wetin he talk. Say he no know the kind of village people where they follow King Tunde Ednut. Is it compulsory say everybody go follow him? No, e no dey compulsory. Everybody get in choice for that social media where he decide to follow or not to follow. Everybody no fit just fit sleep for one place. Everybody know where he like to sleep. Everybody know the kind of person where he or she like to follow for that social media. Because people they follow Tunde Ednut, see wetin King Rudy talk, say he no know the kind village people where they follow that where they follow Tunde Ednut. Just imagine grown up guy like him, see wetin they post, they come out. E no dey compulsory say everybody go still follow him. He will be King Rudy. That is why we get different type of colors for this life. Because my own color wey me like not being you like. I no just know why this hatred, this backbiting all the time, and we, especially we, some of us will be Nigerians. My people, this is the high time where we stop it. So may we embrace love. We did to 2021. May we embrace love, because this hatred, this to bring person down, it will lead us to nowhere, my people. It will lead us to nowhere. Well, my people, I need to leave you guys. See you guys on my next video. I will also leave a video about James Brown.
Hey darling, it's your boy James Brown. I'm not happy. The president of Nigeria is not happy. This is unfair. This is unfair at all. Exactly, Molojo. It's unfair. What the fuck? Why are you guys like this? Today just came back. Like, kilo chef, your time here down. I am so angry. I wake up in the morning and the tag was, I was just tagging me. And I let them go and check Jesus. Kilo day. Witches of Covenant, Corvu, not the witches. What King Tunde has he done? Don't worry. I will go to mountain of prayer. I will go beyond the sea. And I will pray. What is in me? Say that what is the word. He that is living in me, say that what is the word. Holy God!